the inverse of square matrix using the MX Excel function MINVERSE, example 1.4. Number 1. Your matrix should be a non-singular square matrix. To check this, the determinant of the matrix should be different from 0. Second, use the function MDETERM. Third, since the determinant is -22, the matrix is non-singular, so we can find the inverse of the same. Fourth, now select a solution space of the same dimension as the original matrix and press equal. This will go to the top corner of the selected space, use MINVERSE and make the selection and simultaneously press Ctrl Shift and Enter. We then have the required matrix.